Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, I'm gonna teach you and show you how one of my methods, how I clean my oxidized aluminum crank and chrome, and I'm pretty surprised how this worked out. Okay, so right here in front of me, I have some turtle wax, but if you look over here, this is actually the carpet cleaner, and I took a sip. You see here? So I just took a sip, and I put it here. And I put it here, and I try my luck. And let me just show you, after I just wiped a bit, okay, like that. Let me just show you what kind of results I'm able to get. So for example, look at this crank here. Not bad, I've been working on it. You see the difference, you see the reflection? But look at these pedals. This is just unbelievable. Look at the reflection there. You see? Now, I've been dipping my finger in it just like this, and I would put it there, and with my microfiber towel, I would come back and give it a wipe. And as you can see, now just to prove you that this is working, now look at this one here. This is the one that's untreated. Now you see the difference. So I do have this one, which is just a disaster. So I'm gonna be putting there just a bit. And now look back this one. That is the difference. Okay, and let's come back with the towel and see if this is gonna work. Okay, and let's see. Wow, that is already better. And I'm gonna come back here just to tackle it. And see, already better. So like I said, you don't have to go out there buy all kind of products. What you can do, you can just buy this one, turtle wax, and as you can see, I'm doing some cleaning on my bike, and this is basically that. So again, for the end, like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.